Hello friends, my great pleasure to have you here on my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can restore your deleted post or your deleted video on Instagram, step by step tutorial. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Each time I post content about Instagram topic, you'll be notified. So without being said, let's get started and see how you can restore your deleted post on Instagram. So first thing to do is to click on here to visit your Instagram account profile. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots at the top right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to click on your activity. Then take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your recently deleted. Click on that. Then you are going to see the picture or video you recently deleted. One thing you want to do right here is to click on the one you want to restore. So I'm going to select on that. Once it opens up, the next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots right here. Then this is pump up. Next thing you want to do is to click on restore. So the next thing you want to do right here is to click on restore. Boom. So you can view it on your profile. So when you scroll down, and you're going to see the picture or the video that you restore back into your profile. This is how you can restore your delete post or video on Instagram step-by-step tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about Instagram topic. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.